Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to build HTML with the bs4. We are going to use a bs4 method to generate HTML. So we are going to write our function, which will take a sequence of rows and will return a string of HTML table to display their values. So our code will create a HTML table using a beautiful soap library. Our function will take in a sequence of rows as input, and it will start by creating an empty HTML table using beautiful soap. Then we are going to iterate over each row in the input sequence. Uh, let's write our code. We are going to name our function make table, and it will take a sequence of rows. Now we are going to uh, create a table with a beautiful soap. So our will be table soap and with bs4 beautiful soap, and we are going to pass in a table tag. Now we are going to iterate over each row in the input sequence, and for each row the code will create a new table row tr tag using the new tag method of beautiful soap. For row in a sequence row, we are going to create a new tag of table row tr table soup new tag of table row. Then we are going to append to our table the table row. Now we are going to iterate over each item in the current row. For each item, it will create a new table data td tag using the new tag method. Then we are going to append this new data tag to the current row tag. Use for item in a row. Create the table data. With the new tag of table data and append to the row, and now we are going to set the string value of the data tag to the string representation of the original item. And at the end, after processing all the rows, our function will return the complete HTML table. So dividend table data string and string item. Then we're just gonna return the table. Now we are going to pass in our rows and call make table function. So this will be our data. And just do some random data for dog tiger. And one more row we're gonna do with cat mouse lion. Now we are going to call our function make table and also print the return table. So just pass into a print function make table, and we need to pass in our data sequence of rows. Need to import bs4. bs4 need to fix the spelling here. This one is str for string function. And here is our HTML table. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.